Imagine spending over $2,500 on the ads and getting zero sales, no revenue, no real customer, just a handful of form submissions that never converted into anything. That's exactly where this client was standing back in March 2026, and it's the story we are going to walk you through today, because what happened next completely changed their business. Our client is a well-established label printing company based in Australia. They specialize in full color labels, stickers, and tags for practically every industry you can think of: food and beverages, cosmetics, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, meat and poultry, warehousing, and so on. They run their own digital and flex printing facilities capable of producing the labels, and they also supply the label printers, ticket printers, plastic card printers, and the labeling machines from major global brands. Their production facility is HACCP certified, which matters a lot when you are printing labels that go directly onto the food and pharmaceutical packaging. In short, this is a serious, reputable player in the label manufacturing space, but their Google AdWords account did not reflect that at all. Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy and we are Softtrix. We have been in the digital marketing industry for the past 17 years, helping businesses across the globe grow through smarter, data-driven ads. And when this label printing company came to us, it was clear their ads simply were not working for them. When we have opened up their account, the problems were everywhere. They were running a single search campaign split across just 3 ad groups: labels, printers, and the applicators. But the keywords were almost entirely broad match, which meant their budget was getting spent on searches that had nothing to do with their actual product. Their ad copy was thin and repetitive, and some ads that have been disapproved for using the all capital text, which is a straightforward policy violation. And on top of that, they were only tracking the form submissions. There was no sales, never have turned into the paying customers. So we have started from the ground up. The very first thing we have fixed was the tracking, because you cannot optimize what you cannot measure. Once we had the real conversion tracking in place, we went through the entire account and stripped out every broad match keyword, replacing them with tightly targeted themes that actually matched the buyer intent. We rewrote the ad copy from scratch, fixing the compliance issues and making the messaging sharper and much more relevant. From there, we didn't just stop searching. We introduced shopping and the standard shopping campaigns, putting their actual label and the printer products directly in front of the people browsing for them. We have tested new ad groupings to find out what resonated. We launched a Performance Max campaign to widen the net and pull in the qualified traffic from multiple channels at once. We added a remarketing campaign to bring back the past visitor who had not converted yet, and we went into the Google Merchant Center, optimizing the product titles and the descriptions and running the audience tests to keep refining who we were showing up for. None of this happened overnight. It took a few months of consistent management, testing, and the optimization, but the results speak for themselves. From an account that had produced 0 real sales, we have generated 132 actual conversions, real tagged sales, bringing in a revenue of around $46,000 $1,000. So at the ROAS of 6.55. That's the difference between the account that just spends the money and an account that makes the money. And that's what we do at Softtrix. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for a free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will be able to look at your account and then we can let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaign. But on the other side of things, if you do not have the PPC campaigns running, then don't worry about it. Just share with us some basic information. It can be the website URL, the monthly budget, and the location targeting. We can do the research and then we can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Thank you for watching the video.